If you can think about the time in your life when you've been most distressed and can't see a way out, and if you can think about from that place, what was the most helpful to you, what actually helped you take the first step out of that place, it probably wasn't a doctor, it probably wasn't a pill or a surgery. It was some skill or strength that you found within you. So what this does is help us build those tools that you already have, those strengths that you already have, in a much more proactive way, so they're more readily available to you. You don't wait till you're in a crisis mode, but you can use this every day to help, whether it's you're suffering with chronic pain or depression or whatever issue you're dealing with. The power of these approaches can help you.
I was in the Army, I was 82nd Airborne Division, and I served over in Iraq the very first push back in 2003.
I was an 88 Mike motor transport operator. We drove the 5,000-gallon fuel tank.
Vietnam, 1967, 1968.
And I was involved in Gulf War.
I served in South Baghdad from April 2006 to April 2007.
It was hell, you know. Going on patrols and not knowing, you know, if you were going to get hit.
Mentally, it took a toll. Physically, it took a toll.
Having a problem with myself.
I got a whole bunch of problems, like from A to Z.
Once I got out of the military, I wasn't able to readjust back into society.
There was one time that I tried to kill myself.
I would literally be tense, stressed.
I was kind of depressed.
Headaches.
I had a lot of anxiety and anger issues that I was dealing with.
One of the things that I really believe and I wanted to just really emphasize is how important alternate options are for medication. No one has ever died of an overdose of Tai Chi, but we've had veterans who've died of an overdose of medications. So it's huge. This is a big deal, and it really does help.
The most important part about it is that you have a choice to how you think about your life, how you think about your scenarios, your conditions that you're dealing with.
All you have to do is take the first step towards that future and open your heart and open your mind and accept what has been done, what's taken place, and what's already over with, and where you want to go from here.